Hello everyone, and welcome to the lecture on other IDE options idle for Mac or Linux users. We have seen that there are so many options for IDEs, integrated development environments, and we'll be using Jupyter Notebook for the course, but if you are interested, you can use other IDEs of your option. In this lecture, we'll look at an integrated development environment called IDLE, which comes with Python. And we'll focus on IDLE on Mac or Linux. The first thing we're going to do is open up our terminal. So if you hit Command and space on your keyboard and search for terminal, press enter, that will open the terminal for you. And once we have the terminal open, simply type IDLE, IDLE, since we are using Python 2. If you are using Python 3, type IDLE 3. Okay, so once you type IDLE for Python 2 users, or IDLE 3 for Python 3 users, press enter, and that will open the IDLE for you. So this is what IDLE looks like. You have your Python version, Anaconda Python, and all this message. It's an integrated development environment which comes with Python. And once we have that open, we can perform certain statements. For instance, we can say print hello there, for instance, and hello there will be printed. You can say print welcome to the course. We can perform certain operations, for instance 5 minus 9, negative 4, 4 times 7, 28, 3 plus 4, 7, and so on. We can even do for loops. For instance, we can say for x in range, let's say 8, print x. This will print out numbers from 0 through 7. So if we run it, we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't worry about what this is. I'm just checking and executing certain Python statements and commands. And another thing we can do with IDLE is we can open a new file. So if you go here, File, open a new file, and we'll get another blank file. What we can do is we can write our operations here, or statements here, and it will be executed on this Python shell. Let's see an example. Let's start with a simple print statement. Print welcome to this course. So to run a cell, to run this, go to run and then click on run module. So source must be saved. Okay, to save, let's save it. Press OK, and let's save it in our desktop. You can save it wherever you want. So save it. Here you see welcome to this course is printed. Great. Let's print some more messages. Let's also print hi there, isn't it cold? Okay, let's run it again. Run module. It must be saved. Okay, so now welcome to this course and hi there, isn't it cold are printed. Good. And let's look at some more examples. Let's say I have a variable x and let's set it to be equal to 7. Let's use some if statements. We can say if x is equal to 7, we can print the value of x is 7 or else we can say else print x is not 7. So this is a simple if statement. So we defined our variable to be equal to 7, and if x is equal to 7, print the value of x is 7, else print x is not 7. In this case, this statement will be printed. So let's run it. Run module. Let's save it. So here you see the value of x is 7 is printed. Don't worry about this if statements. I just wanted to show you an example of certain Python statements and commands executed on our idle environment. And if I change this value of x to some other value, let's say 8, if I run it now, since 8 is not equal to 7, the else statement will be printed, which is x is not 7. So let's run it again. Run module, save it. So now we have x is not 7. So this is idle on Mac or Linux. As I mentioned, this idle environment comes with Python, and it's a basic integrated development environment, and this is among the many options that we have for IDEs. Great. Thank you everyone, and see you at the next lecture.